This tutorial is for the half double crochet stitch. Slightly taller than a single crochet and slightly shorter than a double crochet, the half double crochet is a versatile, practical stitch for your crochet toolbox. To complete the stitch, we're going to yarn over, insert into our next stitch, draw up a loop so there are 3 on our hook. We're going to yarn over and draw through all 3 loops. That's it. Let's do it again. We're going to yarn over, insert into our next stitch, draw up a loop so there are 3, yarn over, pull through all 3, yarn over, insert into that next stitch, yarn over, pull through all 3, and we've completed our row. For the turning chain, with my tension, I have found that chaining 1 is sufficient for the half double crochet. Some you may want to chain 2, but we'll turn, yarn over, insert into that first stitch going the opposite direction, and we're on our way.